I have three case studies for you that we will go into that. You see, I know my students. That's why I said I worked very hard to give every single thing in one presentation. Every like the case studies, and someone was saying, Zaka, I guess, was saying about stakeholders. So I have a complete slides on projects, agile and hybrid, AI in stakeholders. So yes, your teacher covered you. Don't worry about it. I have that. You will get every single thing that you want. I know my students. Okay, so don't worry about it. We will cover to that, and as we move ahead into that thing. Okay, going back, guys, I'll give you time to ask the question answers. If we keep doing this in between, we have to put it like 5 days session. I want to give you more time so that you can also join the next time. And I have a homework for you for next 7-10 days also. And as I said, next time only those people will be allowed who does the homework. I want to limit it to small people. If you don't want to learn, I don't want to teach. Okay. I have invested more time, and PMP exam is changing on 9th of July. But I am sitting here with you for this because I want to teach you guys. Okay. So I want you to do the homework. That is must. That is no brainer that if you don't do it, I will not allow you in the next class. Fair enough for everybody? Fair enough. Today, even you did not register, I put the link there. Okay. Somebody is having email problem, but still I gave you. But next, even I have 10 students. Actually, my goal was only to take 10 students, train them, and then do other. But we have 110, 900 more in the group. All are invited, but you have to do the homework. Cool? Okay, let's go into that. Assistive AI, as we were talking, like generative is capability to create. Assistive is, you see, can you see the subtitle that I'm talking under the PPT or no? This is assistive AI. How big example I can give it to you. At the end, you will get meeting tools, summaries, etc., spreadsheet, formula. You will get into that. That is assistive AI. Okay, that is assistive AI. So digital twin, it's a digital copy of you that you simulate and predict. You touch the real thing. It's a very interesting thing. Okay, a very important thing for digital twin. A twin is your virtual copy, something real. A machine can do into that. Okay. So instead of talking, I want to show you. Everyone can see me? Hmm. But I have a message in the WhatsApp group, certified PMP, that if you want to join, join it. Project management professional certification is a globally recognized credential. Offering substantial salary increases, often tens of thousands of dollars annually. This program fits your schedule, builds expansion skills, and provides a competitive edge across all industries. Even for research to stand out. Instead of now entering a debate program cost. I did not make that. I just I made a digital twin. It made that video. What I did, okay. Hey, I am making a digital twin of myself. I am making a digital twin in 2 minutes. Okay. A single video. I went there. I generated a prompt. Yes, yes. You see, my wife was sitting. I said, keep quiet. Otherwise, the class will see the word. I'm writing down a prompt. Took the prompt. Let me put it forward. I recorded it. Da-da-da. And that's the video in front of you. I can make a new one just right now. This is digital twin. Now, it will not be as poor as it is today. It will get better and better and better. Okay. So for example, if I asked it more to make a digital twin videos, I can do that as much as I want. AI edit, AI, all tools. Okay. So I go, this is our app. I use caption to edit it, but AI edit, AI caption, AI creator, I just go and add AI twin. This is Amir. I put it twin. Tell me what to say to it. Select Amir. Okay. Talk about how much AI, how much AI is dangerous in 30 seconds. Now that's, you can use multiple tool. Okay, there are multiple tools into the web. How you can do it, that's a different story. Right now, what is it? That's the most important thing. Okay. I used Caption app. Okay. It's a paid app. Again, I pay every tool. Then I check, then I use it, then I unsubscribe it, which is not needed. Okay. So you do not have to pay. There are so many free tools. Which tool to use? I'll show you. Also, how to use it, I'll show you. Okay. While the video is getting converted, it takes time. So let's go into ChatGPT. Okay, for brainstorming, write it down. ChatGPT is best for brainstorming. ChatGPT and Gemini. I want to create my AI twin for free. How can I do that? Give me detail, step by step explanation. I am project manager working in Saudi Aramco. I am 35-year-old. You can put as such as I'm not 35, but I'm older. I'm just putting into that. Yeah, many has today. Now I asked it, it give you exactly tools how you want to make it. This is what we are doing here, guys. Okay. Saudi Aramco has, like, give it as I gave it Saudi Aramco because I wanted to see, does it give me any complexities there? Currently for paid plans, you can still build a strong twin using customized Gemini. Okay, let's also go to Gemini. Okay, so basic setup, ChatGPT, custom instruction, Google Gemini. Okay, let's go with Google. Google Gemini. Google will beat ChatGPT very soon. The reason is very simple. Google has YouTube behind it. But as of now, ChatGPT is better. I gave it to Gemini. Now Gemini will give it to me. So whatever the steps it is, just use it. Of course, you will get at the end of the class. I'll tell you, I have a survey at the end of the class for only people who present. I'll give you those who fill the survey. Then I will know they were in the class. I will give them the PDUs. You will get, if we do this class for 4 hours, 4 PDUs. If we did it for 8, you will get 8. Okay. Cool. And I will also tell how to do the PDUs. Okay. So here you get two options, the knowledge twin, text or brain, gather your data, etc., etc., build your prompt, you get a twin into that. Simple as it is. Okay. Now, I would recommend you use it as a free version. Because even I don't need to use my twin on day-to-day basis. It's just knowing it is good thing. Knowing it is a good thing. For example, how I can use that? I can make a twin of Tom Cruise and I can make a movie in which Tom Cruise has not even got ever penny into that. That is the power of AI twin. Okay. Being said that, I can make a AI twin of Amir Ali, which I will make, and I will give it to my students. If they have any question about PGMP, PFMP, they can ask it. And even I'm not available 24/7, Amir Ali will be available to them. Make sense? Both positive and negative, both things are there. Amjad Saab, excited thing? Excited thing are coming there. Gemini has great context window. Yes, it's not about which tool is better. It's which tool you are comfortable with. All tools are almost the same way. It's not Google and Safari anymore. All tools are the same way. 99% of capabilities, they have the same. But like ChatGPT is good at brainstorming, Claude is good at documentation, Gemini is good at searching. Okay. Whatever is, at least use it. 27% of you guys don't even use AI. At least do that, guys. Okay. AI twin is taking time. It will get made. Let's go to the next slide in that meantime. Okay. So AI agents. Now this is I am mostly excited about. So what AI agent is and how it can be. You make an agent. AI agent is just like your coordinator. Okay. You have project coordinator. You make a AI agent. Tell AI agent, hey AI agent, check schedule. When it becomes less than SPI is less than 1, send email to sponsor. It will do it yourself. You can on holidays and agent will be working into it. AI agent have a goal. It plans. It uses the tool itself. Whatever the tools you are using, Power BI, Google Sheet, it can combine into that. I will do one more masterclass only on AI agents in which I will be building it for you. Okay, in which we'll build it to that. But be very careful about AI agents. AI agents have destroyed the entire bank data. Now, coming to my iMac has zero data in it, zero file, no file about PMP anything. I had backup there. It removed every single book of mine. This happened to me. Now, which prompt I gave, I don't know. I was doing into that, it removed into it. So safety first for that. Okay. I was playing with Claude. It removed. I gave access to everything and it removed into it. Okay. I will even show you one thing which I have never shown to anyone. I will not do that recording. What I built with the AI agent. This is an example of that. Okay. Now, while I was making this destroyed the entire layer of my documentation. I did not have any books of mine. I even have to ask my coach, send me this document, because I did not have that. Now I put everything on my Google Drive on a different thing. Okay, so be very careful about that. But this is an example of AI agents. Okay, what is possible for you? It's a chat. Like, what's the difference between that? A chatbot give you an answer. AI agent, you give it a goal. It plans. It uses your tools, file system, everything. Plan. It act. It checks. It adjusts. Okay. For example, what's a chatbot? Suggest a good subject line. You ask it, plan and send the event invites. A suggestion, like where it is gone. So all these things you ask, you get. What it is useful for you? AI agent, multi-step job, repetitive job, repetitive job. Okay. There is no limitation of AI agents. The only limitation is here, what you can or cannot do. That is the entire game facet. How to train AI agent. That we will do entire. We Today I'm gonna give you the entire summary thing. Then step by step we will do multiple classes. We will work into that specifically into those things. Train the AI agents. Build into it. At least you start using the word of AI agents, right? So let's take an example of this. How, like, I like to call it level 1, level 2, level 3. We'll take one project, 3 level of sports. Okay. The project is this. The goal is upgrade the reception flooring. Read it quickly. Upgrade the reception flooring, lighting, access control, waiting area without disrupting building operation. Okay. So I have an example here. 3 level of agent. I have already written the prompt, chat prompt. Okay. I have written the prompt. You need to write down the prompt. Okay. I go to ChatGPT. I gave it a prompt. This is a level 1, like generative AI, or you can put assistive. Just check the answer here. Everyone, I need you to take a minute and read it. Your weekly status report. What information I have given it? I have given him that information, design approval, etc., etc., etc. I'll give you this also. It gave me overall project status, progress this week, key risk, current issues, how to do that, sponsor next week. That's level 1. Okay, clear to everyone? That's level 1. Let's go to level 2. So level 1 is basically we are asking AI to create a report. Okay. Level 2, now Nabila, here I am putting the prompt properly. Okay. Project health analysis and recommended status. Scope, it is amber. Okay, I gave it the three characteristic here, that the characteristic amber, if this happen, it's amber, it's red, yellow, make it this. This thing is this thing is this. Top three concerns. This is number one priority. Guldar sir, this is number two priority. Number three priority. Missing information. What we need to, we have clarification. Risk that may cause become an issues. Dig, 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 dig. Who has to do follow up? And email to send. A written email to send. Whom to send here? Okay. Email status report for sponsor. Key risk, current state, etc., etc., etc. Okay. Now, this is a very important thing. Please read this. PM review checklist before sending. Confirm Amber is accurate. It is giving you an okay, every single thing. Now level 3, I'll come to that, Faisal. Now level 3 is more of a when you have a developed agent. You have a project, it reads your, like, what is level 3? Let's say, what do you use? Do you use Primavera, Power BI? Where do you put reporting into it? Where you're all, if I want to access your reports or status of Gantt chart or everything or Jira, where it is that? Vessel, I'm giving the information about the project, the status, we look into that. So it will be connected to your tools, and then after connecting to your tools, it will read it. It will automatically read it. You gave it every week, it need to read it and it work into that. Okay. A very important thing about that, level 3 needs to have a guardrail. Otherwise, it will send the emails itself. So does AI remember the old output? Okay. Bijita asked a very beautiful question. Bijita, different AIs remember different way. For example, in Claude, there is an option called projects. Okay. Similarly, every AI has that option. If you want it to remember, put it there. Okay. For example, I'll show you guys. I have multi articles for PMI. This masterclass, of course, if I don't make a masterclass using AI and teaching AI, this does not make sense. I have given I have given it instructions. This is the prompt, this is this, now it will remember. However, whenever I will make a new masterclass, it will start from there on. Okay. So this third level is below is the status of agent workflow. You make a workflow, it worked into that. Read and unstructure the data, design, detect these problems, schedule threads that you can have, decide what follow-up is needed, why it matters. Okay. Now this is very important. You put the agent limitation that it can draft the email, but only you can send it. Okay, only you can send it. Clear? This is the guardrail. I put it that. Read updates, analyzed health yourself, draft follow-ups. Okay. So this is where AI took break and you took in charge. AI makes, Amjad Saab, you review it and then you send it. Clear? Okay. This is basically the level 4 into that.